Alright, so you think you've seen it all when it comes to Mother Nature? Yeah, think again. We've got 10 clips here that are straight up wild. And I'm talking the kind of stuff that makes you go, wait, that actually happened? From moments that'll make your jaw drop to things that honestly shouldn't be possible. This compilation is packed with nature doing what it does best, being completely unpredictable. So buckle up, because what you're about to see, let's just say the outdoors has a way of keeping us humble. Let's get into it. These two buses were trapped on the side of a mountain, getting absolutely pummeled by rocks flying down at them. Passengers were stuck behind, desperately trying to find any kind of protection they could. This CCTV camera at someone's house captured the full chaos of a storm. Furniture getting swept away like it was nothing, and then boom, a massive tree just comes crashing down. This storm pushed a highway sign to its breaking point, bending it so far you could literally see it fighting for its structural integrity. A massive avalanche barreling straight down toward the Elbrus Resort in Kabardino-Balkaria, Russia. This happened on January 15th, 2026. A massive mudslide came out of absolutely nowhere, completely covering the drainage system and roads around it. The neighbors in this area were dealing with a serious mess.
Juang kuat. Lord. Diyos ko, Lord, ang mga wire, Lord. Diyos ko, man.
Lisay!
This person's skiing down a mountain when she suddenly feels the snow under her start to crumble. She almost gets taken down with it in a full-on avalanche.
Sim, quiet! Sim! 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 What chaval?
Boulders started falling on this mountain, kicking up this insane dust cloud that just rampaged its way down. Lucky for the bystanders watching, it didn't quite reach them.
Você toca? Den? Yallah. Yallah, yallah. Dulu kau yaar khanda nahi ala. Domani. Dale, दूसरी उल्टी ले Ya Allah.
खतरनाक सीन है
झील है तो बड़ा जोर चीज है
आधा टोकनी भी हटा नहीं थी वीडियो में भी लाया आधा टोकनी ये शेरा बचा दिया बचाओ ये इधर यार कृष्ण ने माया कल नहीं यार
Claro, tu tinha uma outra
Agora aqui não conecta se sentiu, ele deu ele dois.
Ah, Gugi, vai agora tomar. Vai ser, vai ser um monte. आगे बहुत पीछे ब्लैकबेरी दिन में हो जाएगा कल यार मनी में
Beni duşa bandım bas.
Arakuman.
Argo doğru düğme.
These campers came back to find their tents twirling through the sky like some kind of nightmare. A mini tornado had torn through the entire campsite. These motorcyclists are riding along when they spot people stopped up ahead on the mountain. They pull over to see what's going on while waiting for their buddy. Turns out, they're fellow riders having bike problems and barely escapes getting crushed by boulders rolling down behind them.
watch out!